Welcome to Moment of Truth Physical Therapy. I'm Amy Vanderlinden, and I'm so glad that you found your way to this site. There's lots of information available, and it's my job to make sure that you have the answers to your questions and concerns so that you can make the best decision for your health. My passion is to help women thrive during pregnancy, their delivery, and their postpartum recovery. Pregnancy can be such a fun and exciting time, and I just want to make sure that nothing takes away from the joy that you should be experiencing right now. Whether you're having pain or you're nervous about whether or not your body can handle delivery, or you want to make sure that you're taking care of things so that you have an optimal delivery, that's what I'm here to help with. Obviously, things get all the more busy when baby arrives, and there's so many things to be focusing on with breastfeeding and diapers and trying to get some sleep. And I don't want women to be worrying about whether or not they're leaking, or if sex is painful, or if they can resume exercise safely, or what's going on with their bodies. Lots of times things are common, and so we just sort of accept them or think it's part of the package. But it doesn't mean that they're normal, and it doesn't mean that they're not treatable. So many women that I talk to say, "Oh, I wish I'd known about you sooner," or "I had no idea this kind of therapy existed." And so I just wanted to make sure that women know of all their options for care to have the pregnancy and the delivery and an optimal postpartum recovery so that you can do all of the activities that are important to you and enjoy the things that you love. Whether you're having back pain or something called pubic symphysis pain, or maybe you're wanting a VBAC this time and had a previous C-section, those are all things that physical therapy can help with. And we treat C-section and episiotomy scars and make sure that those don't interfere with your next delivery. We want you to be able to be confident with your pregnancy and stay active. So whether you haven't been very active or whether you're a runner or a CrossFitter, I'm here to make sure that you feel confident in doing exercises that are right for your body. So many times women are told you should do this or you shouldn't do this, especially during pregnancy. And that can change depending on what's going on with you. And so I'm here to make sure that you have the information that's right for you and your pregnancy. I specialize in myofascial release, which is a very gentle hands-on technique that we help address any restrictions or holding patterns that are going on that might interfere with your body's very natural way of preparing for delivery. We also use exercises, and I provide clients with a home program so that you have things to be doing to keep the progress that we make in each session and to be setting yourself up to feel confident and prepared for that delivery. I make sure that the exercises are geared towards the activities you already do and the things that you want to be achieving. So after you've had that baby, there's so much going on, and women are just not great at taking care of themselves. So a big part of my work, and I feel so honored to do, is giving women a chance to share their birth story and to focus on themselves. Everything becomes about baby, and we just tend to put ourselves on the back burner. And it's so important to feel taken care of, to feel that those stories and what you went through is honored regardless of how it turned out, and to make sure that you feel confident in moving forward with recovery. It's not okay for women to suffer with leaking and painful sex and to be just told that that's part of having a baby. That's not true. Just because something is common doesn't make it normal. And I have such a passion for helping women feel confident in their bodies and to know what they're capable of in that recovery period. And in this space, those birth stories are honored, and there is no such thing as too much information. And we just get over ourselves and we talk about what needs to be talked about so that you can enjoy living life to the fullest, whether that's being active, whether that's being able to return to work safely and confidently, getting you back to exercise, not needing to worry about leaking or your core muscles. And so we make sure that everything's kind of shifting back to where it should be, and that you're not dealing with scary things like prolapse or worrying about whether or not you're going to need surgery for your ab muscles. And so that's just a blessing that I have to share that journey with women and make sure that you're achieving all of the things that you want to be able to live life to the fullest. My contact information is available on the site, and you're more than welcome to click on the discovery session. That's a free visit for you and I to talk and get to know more about what your needs and concerns are and for you to be able to find out more about what it is that I do and how I might be able to help. Feel free to just look around the website as well. You can read some of my blog posts or maybe click on one of the free reports available. I just want to provide information for you so that you can make the best decision for your health moving forward.